For a lot of you guys watching right now, one of your favorite parts of any haircut, the thing that solidifies a good barber, would be how well an edge up is done, how crispy, how sharp it looks. In this video, we're going to show one of the newest trimmers to hit the market, along with a breakdown of its specifications. Coming right up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm Christopher Manyweather. This is Deadstock Barbershop, helping you build your barbering skills through online video. On this channel, we do everything from haircut tutorials and product reviews, and occasionally we'll do some unboxings just like this one. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Depending on who you follow on YouTube, many of you guys are unaware of Barber Expos. You know what an expo is. You've seen all kind of like gun shows and different things like that. Imagine that for barbers. There's different booths set up, and all kind of different vendors are selling the newest products, newest trimmers, newest everything that's on the market. There's a few big shows that we normally hit, me and my friends. There's one that just passed, which is the biggest Barber Expo in the country, the CT Barber Expo, held in Connecticut, thrown by Jay Majors. I wasn't able to make it out just due to different reasons. COVID, I had just got like my second shot for my vaccine that same like weekend, and I knew I didn't want to be out just in case I would get sick or something like that, which it ended up hitting me, and I got a fever and all that. But anyway, I didn't end up going. I had a good friend that was able to make it out, and he was able to purchase me some trimmers. He sent them to me by mail, and we got them here today. So I'm gonna quit stalling. We about to jump in it, and we're gonna see what we got in the box today. I'm always happy to get new tools. Like, I could be falling asleep and somebody just bring me a pair of trimmers and I'm ready to go. It don't matter. So we're just gonna jump into it and open these things up, let you see what we got and get everything going. It's crazy. I'm a barber and I couldn't even follow this straight line. So oh, that was wild. All right, so here we go. Woo! Oh man, it's crazy. All right, so let's toss that over there. So here we go. We got the new Andis GTX. These trimmers are skeletoned. You know, for years we were cutting the top portion of the trimmers off and kind of giving you more room to work around like ears and mustache and all that kind of stuff. And Andis was really behind. They finally went ahead and did it, and yeah, now this is the result. Babyliss went ahead and did it a couple of years ago, or like a year or two ago, whatever. First reaction, I saw these things in person back in February when it was 360 Jeezy versus Bazio when we were out in Tampa. And you guys can go back and watch that video if you missed it. It was a dope battle. It was during the time where there were no shows, so it was really good to go and see everybody and kind of reset, because after an expo, like, you're always ready to go home and cut, just because there's so much energy, so much love, people that shared your passion for the craft, you know, meeting up, and you're always enthused and ready to get back to it. So it was like we got our show fix. But anyway, yeah, I was able to hold them. I will say that they felt a lot more stronger. This is not a review because I haven't used them yet, just simply an unboxing. Let's get to some of the specifications. I like that word, specifications. Make me sound important. So this kit contains a gold blade, 4-guard charging dock cord, and some oil. As usual, blade position enhances visibility for precision detailing. That's one of the reasons why we actually were cutting them, because you can have better visibility when you're using your trimmers. So custom gold blade with corrosion resistant coating. that is a plus. You know, those silver blades from Andis, after a while they will corrode on you. GTX Z blade, that must be a new blade, because you know, normally it's just called, we just say GTX. So I don't know if the GTX Z is something different, but I'm interested in trying these out. The GTX Z blade is preset with a tight gap for fine detailing. Sound like they're already going to be zero gap, so that's interesting. Powerful high-speed motor featuring constant speed technology, won't drag or stall, so you should be able to use them without them stalling from like maybe thick hair. You know, the original T outliners, depending on whose hair you were hitting, you didn't have them tuned up right, like they would definitely stall on you. Lithium ion battery delivers over 100 minutes of runtime. That's no different than the gray pair that's not EXO, so they didn't add anything there. Cord or cordless operation with premium charging stand. And yeah, so it's looking like all the specifications are pretty much the same as far as the voltage and the hertz and as well as the SPM. So from just reading about it, the only thing that I can honestly see that is different would be the blade, the fact that they're skeletoned already and that they're black, because everything else seems to be the same from reading the box. But let's open these things up. All right, we got a nice premium case. I honestly, I enjoyed the, well, not enjoyed, but I remember when I first got gray cordless Andis trimmers, and the box was actually nice. It definitely felt more premium. I think that's when I noticed a lot of companies were starting to go towards more of a, like how the iPhone and Samsung's come. I gotta say, the first clipper company I seen do it was probably Bevel, and I guess it's their way of justifying the higher price point, because these trimmers are, I got them for $205. I know before they came out, everyone was saying that they were like $250. So I'm not sure exactly what the official price is gonna be, but I just know these were 250 bucks. So here we go. It's always got this sticker on there. I really want to turn it on just so I can get that feeling. But the sticker says I have to charge them before I actually turn them on. So I will say they feel different in hand. They are light. I think the other ones were pretty light, but something about whatever this material is, or the paint or something on the outside, it feels really good in my hand. Like, it doesn't feel like they'll slip. What I can say about the Babyliss, even though they have that X design on them, I'm still pretty cautious. I feel like, man, these are gonna slip out of my hand. So that's why I like the new ones that have the grip on the bottom. I took the red trimmers that you guys normally see me use, the Babyliss, in all my videos. I actually took the grip off of the new ones and put it on there because it's rubber. So I never want to drop those. So comes with this little guard protector. Let's see how close they got these things set. I'll tell you what, these things are set pretty closely. I'm not gonna lie. I will not adjust anything until I try them out. So I suggest you guys do the same. Sometimes you can get trimmers, any trimmers, right out of the box hitting. So you never want to just mess with them, zero gap them, and when you first get them in. Okay, so now we got inside this box, we got this thing right here. It's probably just the stand. Yep, so we got the black stand. And then over here we got one more box, which I'm assuming is the cord and all the paperwork, manual. Yep, and then you got your cord as well as your oil. That's pretty much it. I'm excited about using these things. If they work as well as they've been promoted to work, I think Babyliss is gonna have a problem on their hand, because first and foremost, like, I love Andis products. I know you guys hear me talk about my masters a lot. They could do, a lot of people have a problem with how they represent the industry, but I personally haven't had any issues with the company. Babyliss, I will say, on the customer support side, they killing any clipper company that I've ever dealt with. Like, I got a video, I'll probably be dropping it later on this week as well, where I sent like all my Babyliss blades back because I had maybe one of them that were really hitting, the ones that you guys see me using all the time. I use those all day long, every day, and I haven't had any issues with that pair. But I purchased like 6 pair of those trimmers, and the other ones didn't hit. I gave one to a customer, and then the rest they just kind of sit around in the shops. You guys will see I sent them back to Babyliss and they hooked your boy up. So you guys stay tuned and you'll see that video coming up next, maybe this week, if not next week. So yeah, next up, what you guys are gonna get is an actual review. You'll see some footage of me actually using these. I'm really hoping that they hit well. I'm about to charge them now because it's evening time and I want to take them to work with me tomorrow and see what we got. This has been Christopher Manyweather with Deadstock Barbershop with an unboxing for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.